Okay, here's another example of how to use the which random command. Uh, for instance, I create a question. The following example shows how to decide when text or questions show in a question. And so let me show you what I did here. Let me go to the algorithms. I created a variable which has 5 possibilities. So it's a random number from 1 to 5. I created one variable called p. And so p is true only when which is equals to 1. And then I created another variable q, and this is only going to be true when which is equals to 2, and r is true when the random variable which is equals to 3, and as is true when which is equals to 4. Otherwise, I needed one more because I have 5 random variables. So let me create a new one, and I'm going to call it t. And this one is true if which is equals to 5. Now notice one thing. 4 of them are going to be false, and 1 of them is going to be true only. And I want you to see the power of this, okay? And so I'm gonna put it here. So I got several variables. So what I did is this: I created a sentence, and again, this is vacuums. If you look at some of my questions, I embedded this. For instance, this one I created. The song of the year is. I use equation editor because it has a little command that allows you to determine when it's going to be shown. Well, this is going to show it only if P is true, okay? So record, and then the book of the year is only if Q is there. The poem of the year is only if R is true. The card of the year is, this is going to display only if, look at the display this expression, it says equation, but it's expression, only if S is true. Let me create one more expression. So I go to insert an equation, even though it's not an equation, or I can press Control E, and I go to text so that I can type something. I put the truck of the year, yeah, the SUV. SUV of the year is, again, it's a vacuum question. And so I use P, Q, R, S, and T. So let me put T there, and I'm going to record it. Now I got 5 sentences, but only one of them is going to be true, whichever matches the which. Now take a look at this. If I press values, it only shows the third expression, PQ when R is true, the poem of the year. Take a look at this, the card of the year, the SUV of the year, the song of the year. And it tells you how rich this is. I can also enter, I can put a graph in there or a picture. Let me see if I can do this. I can use the same values. So insert graph, cartesian. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter a picture, and I'm only going to show if something is true. So picture, new, and let me see if I have a picture on my desktop. Let's see, desktop. I have a picture. I have one Examview nodes, and let's take a look at this one. Let's just put it in there. And so there it is. So this is going to show only if Q is true, okay? So I'm going to apply it. Picture name, simple circuit. Yeah. And so I'm going to apply it, and there it is. Right now, this is 2. Now, notice one thing. Yeah, notice one thing. Let's go. Let's record it. Now, if I click again, most likely it will disappear because I have a different variable, have a different value. The picture is only going to show when which is equals to 2, yeah, which is Q. So take a look at this, yeah? 1, 2. So that is the power of this. It is incredible. Let's see if we can put another picture. Doesn't matter which picture we get. Let's see picture. I'm gonna get a new picture, and I'll select a new one. Let's see. Let's just put any picture in here. Let's put this one. Yeah. And I'm gonna open it, and let me make this 10 only, and this is gonna be -5. Half of 10 is 5, so I'll put it like that. I want this to show only if P is true. Okay, I'm gonna apply it. Oh, I'm gonna call it force at an angle. Force at an angle. I think that's the name of that picture. So I say okay. Let's get a new picture, and I'm gonna select a different picture. Let's take this bell. It doesn't really matter. Again, I'm gonna put this 10. And I'm gonna put this as -5. And so I got PQ, I just call it bell. But I want you to notice one thing. This is gonna be show only if I got PQR. So, this one, 11.4, so 5.6, oh, make it 5.6. 6, there you go. Okay, let's get another picture. So I need 5 pictures, okay? So let's take a look at this car. Open. And again, I'm just putting, I'm just gonna call it car and PQRS. And I want you to see this. Forgot to put the name car. Okay, okay. And let's get one more picture. I want 5 pictures, PQRST. Now, let's take a look at this, this little cars in the collision. And this is gonna be just cars. And this one is only gonna show if it is T. Okay, okay, and record. Again, take a look at this. The book of the year is, and this is again a vacuous question. Let me put the variable, the which. Now again, I got 5 sentences and I got 5 pictures in here hidden. And so take a look at this. Here is my car when this is 4, and I got the 4th sentence. Isn't that cool? So what it does, it allows you to create 5 different situations or 5 different questions into a single one to give a rich environment for the students. That is really something. I hope you enjoyed this. So